Nothing compares to street food in India. On my trip to Mumbai this year, I made it my mission to study the street vendors creating this delightful sandwich. I wanted to bring these authentic flavors back to the US so you don't have to book a flight to satisfy your cravings.
We're here today in Bombay eating one of the most popular snacks, Vada Pav. And we're here at a store that has been open since 1939. So let's try it. My tactic is to squish this. Absolutely delicious, and you must try it when you're visiting Bombay.
The filling is simple but bold. No bland potato in sight here. Mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and curry leaves are the main flavoring agents here, along with an ingredient that completely transforms the aroma of this filling, hing or asafoetida. Make sure you bloom them in the hot oil before moving on to the next step. If you have access to fresh curry leaves, I highly recommend using them. Green chili and garlic are the two other aromatics here. Using a mortar and pestle is key since it crushes the cells rather than cutting them, which releases more of those aromatic oils, making the mixture more potent. Other than this, the only spice we are using here is turmeric, and that's pretty much it. This filling comes together pretty quickly since the potato is already cooked. I cooked mine in the microwave for about 7 minutes. Crush them and add them to the mixture, and all we need to do is make sure this is seasoned properly and set it aside to cool. While the filling cools, let's make the other components. Here are 3 tips to get the perfect batter. Sift your chickpea flour. It'll make it easier to make a smooth batter. Add water gradually, make a thick paste, and then adjust the consistency. It's important to incorporate air into this mixture, so whisk it vigorously and then set it aside to rest for about 30 minutes. There are 3 chutneys that are important in a vada pav, but if you were to only make one, I would make the last one. This one offers some contrast and relief from the spiciness. You could use brown sugar if you don't have jaggery. The sweet and sour flavor of this chutney perfectly complements the other 2 chutneys. This chutney adds a layer of fresh herbal and spicy flavors and works really well with the crushed garlic and chili in the potato. Most street-style dishes are rustic and punchy, so there's no need to make a fine paste here. Cover this chutney and keep it in the fridge while you make the other chutneys. This is for the most important chutney in the Vada Pav. It's a dry chutney and the batter is one of the key components. Fry it till it gets crispy and then let it cool completely. This chutney is a staple in Maharashtra and it appears in so many different dishes of the region. Cloves of fresh garlic and some red chili powder to make this fiery, spicy chutney. This mixture makes 4 varas, and I'm frying these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for the first few minutes, and then I lower the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit to cook the batter through. This ensures that your coating is crispy and that your varas don't absorb excess oil. Fried green chilies are the quintessential garnish in a Vada Pav. Make a slit in the chilies before you fry them so they don't explode in the hot oil. The locals sure love their chilies. There are bakeries all over Mumbai that make this bread, but today we're using some brioche I made earlier. Although they're not exactly the same, dinner rolls work well here. Lather the 2 chutneys on 2 sides of the bread, and then it's time for my favorite chutney, the garlic chutney, and I'm going to add lots of it. Don't forget that green chili that we just fried. I like to squish them before I take a bite to make it more manageable. And there you have it, the Mumbai Vada Pav. If you liked this video, check out Mumbai's other iconic street dish. And if you'd like to stop recipe hopping and learn the building blocks of Indian cooking so you can create any dish you like, click the link below and join me.